Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're basically sketching out the complete blueprint for building a successful nail business right here in South Africa. And this whole game plan comes from an amazing, in-depth guide by the team over at Mzansi magazine.
So if you've ever found yourself daydreaming about turning a real passion for polish and artistry into a profitable business, well, you are in exactly the right place. This blueprint is for you.
Let's just start with the big picture, okay? That number you see? 50 billion rand. That's the massive contribution South Africa's beauty sector made to the economy in 2023. And you better believe the nail industry is a huge, sparkling part of that. The opportunity is absolutely real.
All right, so here's how we're going to break it all down. This is our 5-part blueprint. We're going to cover the market, mastering your skills, all the legal stuff, the big launch, and of course, how to grow in the future.
First up, Mzansi's Nail Boom. Before you even think about buying a single bottle of polish, let's unpack why right now is such an amazing time to get into the nail game in South Africa.
You know, thanks to that endless scroll on Instagram and TikTok, amazing nail art has just exploded. It's gone from this niche thing to a total mainstream obsession, and that has fueled an incredible demand for skilled nail techs everywhere, creating a perfect entry point for new entrepreneurs like you.
Okay, now for what is arguably the most important piece of the puzzle. Section 2, Mastering Your Craft. This is your foundation. Your entire business, your reputation, it's all built on your ability to deliver incredible, long-lasting results. And look, don't just take my word for it. As seasoned salon owner Thondine Kosi says, your reputation is everything. A beautiful design that chips in 2 days, that's a fail. Your skill is what brings people back again and again.
So how do you get that pro-level skill? Well, you've really got 2 main paths. Formal courses are great. They give you structure, a certificate, and that builds a ton of credibility. But hey, if that's not in the budget, don't sweat it. You can teach yourself, find an apprenticeship, or just practice relentlessly on your friends. It's way cheaper and gives you that crucial hands-on experience.
All right, skill is in the bag. Now let's get into the actual architecture of your business. Section 3, Space and Legal. This is where we figure out where you'll work and how to make it all official. And right away, you've hit a major fork in the road. Starting at home is fantastic for your wallet, right? It keeps those initial costs way down. But investing in a commercial space, even a tiny one, gives you instant professionalism and visibility. Yeah, the costs are higher, but so is the chance of getting those valuable walk-in clients.
And this quote just gets right to the heart of it. Entrepreneur Lusanda Mabiki points out that clients sometimes see a home business as a side hustle. And because of that perception, it can be a lot harder to charge the premium prices your skills are actually worth.
Now, I know the legal stuff can sound super intimidating, but honestly, it just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, register your business name. Second, comply with health and safety. That is non-negotiable. And third, register for tax. That's pretty much it.
And here's the best part. This doesn't have to be expensive at all. Registering as a sole proprietorship with the CIPC can cost as little as 125 rand. It's one of the easiest, most affordable things you can do to build trust right from day one.
Okay, the structure is in place, you're legal, it is launch time. Let's talk about building a brand that really shines and setting prices that work for you and, of course, for your new clients.
Let's be real. In today's world, your social media feed is your portfolio. You have to be on top of your game on Instagram and TikTok. We're talking crisp, high-quality photos, those super satisfying before and after videos, and using smart local hashtags so people in your area can actually find you. And please, whatever you do, do not sleep on the power of local search. A properly set up Google My Business profile is like having a free 24/7 billboard. It's what brings clients who are literally searching for nail salon near me right to your door.
When it comes to pricing, you got to find that sweet spot between being profitable and being accessible. A tiered strategy is perfect for this. Have a simple, budget-friendly option to get new people in the door, and then a premium tier with all the luxury add-ons for clients who want to splurge. Just remember the most important rule. Don't undervalue your skill.
And finally, Section 5, Scaling Your Business. So, you're established, you've got a steady stream of clients. What's next? The last part of our blueprint is all about looking ahead and turning your startup into an empire.
This is where you can get really creative. Think beyond the salon chair.
Could you start offering mobile services for clients who are too busy to come to you? What about selling your own branded products like cuticle oils or press-on kits? Or you could even monetize your expertise by teaching workshops for the next generation of nail artists.
To wrap this all up, I want to leave you with this powerful piece of advice from entrepreneur Zinle Kumalo. Because this is the core of everything. Treat every single nail like a work of art. That's the mindset that builds a business that truly lasts.
So there you have it. The essential steps, the expert advice, the market realities. You officially have the blueprint in your hands. The only question left to ask is, what are you going to build with it?